So I just learned about this Rust toolkit called sqlx that's really changing how we think about database interactions.
Oh, I've heard a little about it. It's supposed to be fully async and compile time checked, right? That's wild.
Exactly. Imagine writing queries in a way that ensures they're valid at compile time, like no more runtime surprises.
Wait, seriously? So it connects to the development database at compile time to verify queries?
Yes, it's like having a safety net during development. This means if there's an issue, you catch it before you even run your code.
That's such a game changer. But how does it work with different database backends?
Good question. sqlx is database agnostic. It supports PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and more. Totally flexible.
Oh, so you don't have to lock yourself into one database system? That's refreshing.
Right. And think of it this way. It's like having a universal remote that works with any brand of TV.
Ha! That's a perfect analogy. And what about the safety aspect? It's all in pure Rust, isn't it?
Yes, pure Rust code means it's designed to be safe. No unsafe blocks unless you're using SQLite, which does need some C interaction.
Wow, I didn't realize that. So it's almost like a safety lock for your code base.
Exactly. Plus, it uses compile time macros to make sure queries are syntactically correct. That's pretty cool.
Okay, I've got to know, is it hard to get started with? I mean, the setup can be a pain sometimes.
Actually, it's designed to be straightforward. You just add a dependency in your cargo toml and configure it for the runtime you want.
So it's like picking a flavor of ice cream. Just choose what fits your needs.
Exactly. And it even includes built-in connection pooling, which is so vital for performance.
Connection pooling, that's a big deal. I always disliked redundant connections eating up resources.
Right? With sqlx, you get that efficiency out of the box. It streamlines the whole process.
But wait, what happens if you need to change the database at runtime?
That's where the AnyPool comes in. It dynamically connects to the driver based on the URL scheme.
No way, that's seriously impressive. It's like the tool adapts to what you throw at it.
Totally. Think of it as your toolkit adjusting to whatever screw you need to turn. Super handy.
Love that comparison. So what makes it different from traditional ORMs?
Great question. sqlx is an ORM. It does compile time checks, not a DSL for building queries.
Oh, so it stays closer to SQL syntax rather than wrapping it in object-oriented structures.
Exactly. It respects SQL while giving you those powerful Rust checks, which is so refreshing.
That really changes how we approach database programming. Less abstraction, more control.
Yep. And the flexibility allows for all sorts of SQL features, including custom extensions from databases.
Whoa, that's cool. So you can harness powerful database capabilities directly?
Yes, plus the async support means you can execute queries concurrently, which boosts performance.
This is blowing my mind. I didn't even realize Rust could do async database calls so elegantly.
Right? It completely reshapes your expectations about working with data in Rust.
Now I'm curious, how does data retrieval work in terms of streams?
You can fetch rows as they come from the database in a stream-like fashion, which is super efficient.
So it's like sipping on a smoothie rather than trying to gulp it all at once.
Perfect analogy. It's all about the gradual intake rather than overwhelming your app.
And hold on, did you mention automatic statement preparation and caching?
Yes, sqlx prepares and caches your queries, making them faster on subsequent runs.
Wait, that means less overhead for the database to handle. Now that's impressive.
Absolutely. You get the speed boost without even thinking about it, which is a win.
I love this. So if we put all this together, sqlx seems to streamline almost every aspect of data management.
Exactly. It's like having a high-performance sports car for your database interactions.
This is making me rethink how I would approach building applications. It's powerful.
Totally. And it leaves you with so much room to grow and adapt your strategies.
So what's your biggest takeaway from sqlx? I think mine is all about the safety and flexibility.
For me, it's the assurance of compile time checks and how that opens up confidence in coding.
Awesome. Makes you eager to dive into that Rust world, doesn't it?
For sure. I can't wait to see how it helps developers channel their creativity.